Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about yen index and yen trades. So let's get started. This is the chart. This is a current chart what happened to this chart. I didn't save the chart. I forgot to save the chart. Let me just turn off this alarm. Something is beeping. Just started. And what the heck is that? Okay. And what is this? Which broker is this, man? Oh, here. Okay. All right. So let's get back to this. Now, let me show you that the video that I made yesterday, it was this, right? And you can see here the chart. This was the chart. This was the setup. This is 78% of this fib here, support here, right? And then this level 64.14. I explained that in this video pretty good. So you can watch it. It was on 4th, which was yesterday. To give out this video to everyone so that you guys can be, prepare yourself and take the trades, entries in yen pairs. You can see here it's written all yen pairs will also go up when this thing goes up. This is a 33-minute chart. Let me play this. There, the support is there. The 78% is the one that is stopping it, and this level 63.92 monthly number, monthly high. And if that continue going to the upside, man, last time from here to here, I had 18 yen trades, all big one. Okay, so you got the idea that this was the chart that I was showing and explaining that this thing is going to go up and we're going to have a lot of yen pairs in hand. So what happened to this chart so far is this. You can see here, this is a 30-minute chart. It was here and then start to go up. The 20-minute chart I showed there, it was like this. See, 78%. It's supposed to be bouncing from there, and it did. It's nice and clean going to the upside. So I'm supposed to take long in yen pairs. That's what, excuse me, it's written here. All yen pairs supposed to go up. So I had I usually watch 5 yen pairs, like USD yen, pound yen, euro yen, Aussie yen, and CAD yen. So now what happened is that yesterday we had a few news, right? So euro got very weak. So euro didn't give me the long setup. Today after NFP, USD got very weak, so that didn't give me the long setup. But the other three, first one is this 60 CAD yen, 115 pip from 7-minute chart. Here's my buy entry. Buy the book entry came, I took it, and this one went straight from the 7-minute chart, right? And it went even more, but that's how it is. 115 pip CAD yen from 7-minute. This is what I took based on that chart that I showed in yesterday's video, right? That video is on my channel. You can watch it so you can understand that exactly why and how I took these trades. The other one that I took is this pound yen. You can see this one as well, 120 pip. This is what it is. My 7-minute entry, I took it from here. It went up 50 pip in profit, and then all of a sudden, boom, it came and took my SL out at break even. But like I said, the plan is that you take the 7-minute. If it goes bad, SL hit, then basically it is making a 20-minute setup, and then you take that one. So this one was the one going on, and let me show you here on the Telegram. You can see here that I posted here the GJ might make a long 20-minute long, right? So this is what I posted here, and then I said, and it did made the long, this one I was talking about. So I took that one and I posted on the Telegram. And then I said that it's not moving because probably it's going to be waiting for NFP. You see this? We have NFP tomorrow at 8:30 and blah, blah, blah. And then later on, right after the NFP, this thing start to go up and 120 pip. All of them basically went up, all three of them after the NFP. Now, the third one, Aussie yen, is this from 7-minute chart as well. Beautiful by the book entry and 75 pip here. So you see, I planned the whole thing, and 3 trades: 120, 75, and 115. You see that? So 115 and 75, how much? 195, and then 120. So almost more than 300 pips in one day. 3 trades only. Not only, I'm talking about the yen pairs, right? I had a lot of others trades, by the way. I had this one, pound CAD. I have this for 65 pip today. On the 5th, you can see here USD CAD for 95 pip. Euro CAD on the 5th, 120 pip. And Newsy, this is on the 4th. So I had these 3 CAD trades as well: Euro CAD, USD CAD, pound CAD. Why? If you go and you look at it, you will see that CAD was getting strong. By the way, I had the weekly chart made. I'll make another video about the CAD. But yes, I was expecting that the CAD is going to get strong. Last Sunday, I made the chart and gave it to my subscribers. I usually make all weekly charts of all the pairs and indexes on Sunday, and then in my webinar explains how it is and how it's done and what's going to happen. So this is all about, you plan the trade based on the weekly chart, that, okay, this is where it's happening. And then little details from the 33-minute chart, 40-minute chart, 20-minute chart entries. And everything is a system. That's why I call it, creative trading system. It is a system. Some people think that's just an indicator. No, it's not just an indicator that shows arrows buy and sell. No. The whole system. Once you learn the system, every single day, every single pair, you would know exactly what it is going to do and where it is going. All you got to do is wait for the proper entry. And when the entry comes, when the entry is built, your alarm, the CTS alarm beeps. That is like an alarm that come and take me. You open the trade after that. So the setup, like for example, this one, yellow is above the black, so it didn't ring, beep, the alarm didn't beep here, but it was beeping here, it beeped here, something like that. So alarm is the one, the key, but obviously you have to learn the whole system. That's why I recommend, for if you're not profitable, then get on with the one-on-one course, where I'll not only teach you this system, but I'll make you master of all this, the whole thing, the Forex business, and how it moves, when it moves, why it moves, and how you can just simply sit down and wait for entries to show up. Once the entry showed up, then you can just simply take the trade. And you notice that I hold my trades pretty long, right? Big trades, 120, 130, 140 pip. The other day, for euro yen, pound yen, the euro news came out. Euro was a bad news. Euro, see, the euro was 120. Euro CAD, and there was another euro CAD. This 125. Euro Aussie 140. This is a monster. Anyway, euro yen for 125. But why I hold for these trades are that long, and all these trades are like open and close in a single day. They are not like I'm holding for the whole week. No, I don't. I hardly do that. Hardly. Once in a while, maybe once a week, 1 or 2 trade I hold for the next day. Otherwise, see this white dotted line? This is the day starting, and this is the day ending. See, this is within one day. This is May 4th, right? Open and close May 4th. The next day, next trade. All right. So I'll teach you why you have to hold, and you can hold this much, this long, 100 pip, 120 pip, 80, 90 pip, and come up, 2 or 3 trades, you will easily make more than 200 pip a day. Right. So that's how it is. If you're interested, go here, creativetradingsystem.com, and sign up for one-on-one and start trading. This is like one-on-one is 1 month, not 1 month, basically 10 hours each session, 1 hour, where I teach you, and you can choose, the days, you can select the hour, the timing, all of that, right? I have students from all over the world. And if I'm sleeping, they're awake. Sometimes they are sleeping, I'm awake. Right? So, but Me, this is my full time, so I'm mostly available anytime anybody wants to do it. So it doesn't matter. My sleep is like an hour here, hour there, and I'm almost always up and running. So I have few. I just finished few one-on-one, so I have opening, so you can sign up and get on with it. This is easy once you learn. Between the success and the failure is learning. Once you learn, the failure becomes success. Simple as that. Okay. So this is it for now. Like I said, the creativesystem.com. Go there, sign up, and start learning. All right. So, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video, and so that you can get my videos on time. I'm going to do my analysis, and I'll show you what happened to CAD pairs and other pairs. And probably I'm going to make a video now about gold as well, what the gold is doing right now. Okay. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.